Bienvenidos a Español 118. And this is your tutorial on using the My Spanish Lab. Okay? So hopefully you have purchased your books, and with the book came this access code, and you have typed in the code for this course, which is the CRSKL S4-604653. Okay. Now once you have done that, it will bring you into this course, and I am going to go to my student view so that you can see in this video how it will look for you. Okay. The first things you want to do when you first get into this program are you want to make sure that you tune up your browser. Okay. You also want to make sure you disable any pop-up blockers. Okay. I am using this in Google Chrome, and that works very well. You want to set your time zone. Okay. Keep in mind that all assignments are going to be due at 11:59 p.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time, or Arizona time. Okay. And then you could also take a tour on how to best use this. Okay. Now, there are tutorials for you to use here. You also have an electronic version of your textbook. You have a glossary. You have a verb chart. There's a user guide and extra resources. Okay. As you come in, you are on what is called Today's View. Okay. In Today's View, it tells you a little bit about the course. Okay. It will give you any alerts on what's going on or any action items that may need to be fulfilled. You'll see the calendar. Okay. Now, a blue clock means that the due date has not yet approached. Okay. If you see a red clock, it means your work is past due. Okay. Now, the easiest way to get started is to actually just click on the date that you see the assignments. Okay, and you'll see here they'll be in a particular order. Okay, pay attention to these icons because they will help you out, and you will just click on the assignment when you are ready to begin. And it will tell you to begin for the pretest here. Definitely read through all instructions. Okay, if I go back a moment, okay, you will only see 4 at a time, so you will need to scroll down. Any given day has between 22 to 42 activities to get done, except for this very first week. Now, you can also access the activities via course materials. Okay. In course materials, you will see important documents for the class. This is where I have posted the syllabus, the course outline, and the rubrics that I use for different activities. Okay. Now, we also have the different chapters. So I can click on Chapter 1, and I can click on the Student Activities Manual, and it's going to show me a whole list of activities that has the clock by it. Those are the ones that are assigned, but there's quite a few activities which are not assigned. So if you feel you want some extra practice, feel free to work on those activities. It will not hurt your grade. They will not be counted in the calculations. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of assignments that have not been assigned. Okay. Now, as I go back into Chapter 1, Capítulo 1, okay, I also see that I have additional practice. Okay, and some of these are assigned as quizzes, but others you can use for additional practice. Okay. If I go back a moment, you'll see that there are also tutorials. Partway through the semester, many of these will be assigned, but you may want to view them starting from the beginning, even if they were not assigned. And these are just quick little grammar tutorials for you. Okay. Now I can go over here and I can go to grades so that I can see, and it's going to be per chapter. So if I go into chapter 1, I can see what my chapter 1 grade average is. Okay. If I just want to go into the student activities manual, it's going to show me the grade for each individual activity that was assigned and that I did. Okay. Okay. Communicate. You can email myself as well as others in the class by composing new. Okay. So that's really basically what this My Spanish Lab is for. Okay. So please let me know if you have any questions. Nos vemos. Adiós.